Hi students, in the previous video you have learned what is entrepreneur, who are entrepreneur, what is the entrepreneur and what is its impact on the society, what are the roles and the importance of entrepreneurship. Today I am going to discuss qualities of the entrepreneur, what are the qualities of the successful entrepreneur. Second one is the main functions of an entrepreneur. Next, myths about the entrepreneurship. And the last one is entrepreneurs can be choose as a career option. Now, what are the qualities of the successful entrepreneur? First quality is passion. Now, always the entrepreneur are passionate. They are not afraid of the hard work. They are focused on their dreams and are willing to put in extra hours to make the business succeed. The successful entrepreneur will always be reading, researching, looking away for the new opportunity for the business. They do not give up when they face any challenge, rather accept it in a positive way. So they are passionate about their business. Second quality is motivation. Entrepreneurs are dedicated to their work. They do not depend on the manager or colleague to push them towards their goals. So entrepreneur has a skill to communicate their dream and inspire others to join them on their journey to achieve it. So they give the motivation to other to work on their goal. Third one is optimism. Optimism means it is a hoping or believing that good things will happen in the future. So entrepreneurs are optimistic about the future and are always looking ahead. Fourth quality is vision. To be a successful entrepreneur, you must be a goal oriented. So successful entrepreneurs have a vision that they share with the other and their team understand their goal, why they do it, and what their role is on their path to success. So its vision is always clear. Next one is the creativity. Entrepreneurs see the world differently and think outside the box. Means they built on the big ideas. Those big ideas arise from the creativity, a way of thinking that differ from the rest. So entrepreneurs are always looking for new and better way of doing the things. So that is the creativity. Next quality is self-starter. So entrepreneurs are aware that if something need to be done, they need to do it themselves. They have to start by own. And they set the parameter to achieve their objective. So they are self-starter. Next one is open-minded. Entrepreneur realize that every event and situation is a business opportunity. So these ideas are continuously generated about workflow, efficiency, people skill, potential, new businesses. So they can look at everything around them and reshape it into a path that leads them towards their goal. Means they always be the open-minded. Means they are looking around the things around them and they are reshape it and work on them. Next quality is risk taker. Now risk taking is a crucial part of starting a new business. If you are afraid to take the leap, you will never get anywhere. So you have to take the risk for becoming a successful entrepreneur. Next quality is confidence. But obvious, confidence means if entrepreneur has a good confidence in it, then they will build a good enterprise. So successful entrepreneur do not doubt their success. They show confidence in their business idea and believe that their effort will surely sooner or later bear the results. Next one is the determination. Successful entrepreneur believes that all the things are possible. Failures do not stop them. Instead, they look at defeat as an opportunity for success. Next one is the competitive. Successful entrepreneurs are fiercely competitive by nature and utilize the opportunity to establish a service that is better than the rest. So they are competitive. Next one is the strong people skill. Successful entrepreneurs have a strong communication skill and good people skill also, including the problem solving capabilities, empathy for others, willingness to work together towards the common welfare. So successful entrepreneurs motivate their employee and ensure maximum productivity. So they have a strong people skill. Next one is the discipline. Successful entrepreneurs eliminate any distraction that might stop them from achieving their goals. They plan the strategy and outline tactics to accomplish them. So they have a disciplined approach to their work and take steps every day towards the achievement of their objectives. And the last one is strong work ethics. The successful entrepreneur displays strong ethics quality at their workplace. They are role model for the work ethics and aspire all their employees to showcase the same. So these are the qualities of the successful entrepreneur. Next one is the main function of an entrepreneur. What are the main functions? First one is the decision making. But obviously the primary task of the entrepreneur is to decide the policy of the productions. So this include the business decision related to the purchasing, sellings, sale of the finished goods, services. So all the stage you have to make the decision. So this is the main function of the entrepreneur. Second one is management control. The entrepreneur is responsible for the management and control of his business. Therefore, he must possess good management skill and select the right type of people to work with him. Next one is division of income. Another important function of the entrepreneur is they have to make the necessary arrangement for the division of total income among the different factor of the production. Because for starting a new business, you have to divide your money. If you are getting loss in that business, then you have a money to bear it. So first task of the entrepreneur decision making, second one is management control, third one is division of income. Fourth one is risk taking and uncertainty bearing. Risk taking, obviously risk taking, that is the important factor of the entrepreneur. Estimating the production is risky, as an entrepreneur is required to produce the goods and services for seeing their future demand. So there are two kinds of the risk. First one is the measurable and second one is the uncertainty risk. Measurable means there are some risks, for example risk for the fire, loss of the goods, theft, so which can be insured against any damage. These are known as the measurable. And next one is the uncertainty, means these are the risks cannot be insured against because their probability cannot be calculated accurately. These are known as a uncertainty risk. For example, this type of risk occur due to the unknown or unexpected event. For example, disaster. So these are the uncertainty and bearing. Next function is innovation. This is also an important function of the entrepreneur because entrepreneur have to think about the new product, new techniques, discover the new market to get the competitive advantage to grow and adapt their business according to the demand and current trade. So these are the main function of an entrepreneur. Next one is the myths about the entrepreneurship. What are the myths about the entrepreneurship? First myth is entrepreneurs are high risk taker. So there is no surety about that they are a high risk taker or low risk taker. They prefer situations in which they can get a profitable outcome. So this is first myth. Second myth is entrepreneur are born. Many people think that the entrepreneur have a inbuilt capability for thinking about the new ideas. But however, experts agree that most entrepreneurs are not born, they learn to become the entrepreneurs. Third myth is entrepreneurs are mainly motivated to get rich. Entrepreneur to become a rich quickly. So starting a business, that is not a quickly you are getting the rich. This is the third myth about the entrepreneurship. Fourth one is entrepreneurs give a little attention to their personal life. It is believed that all the successful entrepreneurs work long hours, which in turn takes a toll on their personal life. But this is also a myth. They are equally divided their hours towards his work and towards his family. So this is also a myth about the entrepreneurship. Next one is entrepreneurs are loners and introverts. Most of the entrepreneurs are likely to working alone, but at the same time they want the advice from the other, and they make a contact to discuss their business idea with the other for business growth. So they are not a loner and introverts. Next one is entrepreneurs are job hopper. Entrepreneurs are not a job hopper. Most of the entrepreneur gain the experience from the big company from the many years, and before starting the business they use their corporate experience to learn something, and then he or she will start the business. Next myth is entrepreneur finance their business from venture capitalist. This is also myth that most of the entrepreneur fund their business from the personal saving or by borrowing from friends or money lending institution. Funding with a venture capitalist, that will be expensive. So this is also a false. Entrepreneurs are often ruthless or deceptive. Some people believe that you have to be deceptive to become a successful entrepreneur. But this is also false about the entrepreneur, because it does not work with the entrepreneur. If deceptive entrepreneurs are there, then they have a bad relationship with their employees, customers, supplier, so his venture from becoming the successful. Next myth is entrepreneur have a limited dedication. So if you are a successful entrepreneur, so dedication is also a quality. So this is also a myth that entrepreneur have a limited dedication. They have a full dedication about their business to becoming a successful entrepreneur. So these are the myths about the entrepreneur. Last topic is entrepreneur as a career option. You can choose as a career option as an entrepreneur. In the developed country, which are moving from managerial to entrepreneur economics, so India's as a emerging economy is ensuring that entrepreneurship is encouraged as a career choice for the young ones. A study conducted in 2013 by the International School of Entrepreneurship, Education and Development revealed that more than 87% of the students surveyed aspire to become an entrepreneur, while about 90% believe that country is full of entrepreneurs opportunity. So in modern technology, the entrepreneur is encouraging career. So in the lot of government institute, for example Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship was set up by the government of India in 2014 for learning of the entrepreneurship. Second one is on educational institute are providing courses as a entrepreneurship. So being an entrepreneur teaches life skills, increase creativity, problem solving skills, providing a better understanding of business and market economics, improve the communication, teamwork, network skills, hence enhance the employability. More importantly, it teaches you that failure is also a learning experience. From the failure also you take the new opportunity. So you can be choose as a career option as a entrepreneurship. So this is the all about the entrepreneurship skills. Thank you for watching a video.